So if you know me, you know I love flowers. As a matter of fact, I'm addicted to flowers. And today, I'm here with my friend Roberto, and he's the best floral designer that I know. So tell me what we're going to do today, because you know I need all the help I can get. And I just want some new tips on how to make arrangements for around the house.
Well, I'm going to teach you, this is the first thing I learned in floral design.
Okay.
How to make a hand-tied bouquet.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is just grab two stems, right, and we're going to crisscross them.
Okay.
Just like this. And then we're going to keep adding flowers, right, but in the same spot.
Wow.
You see moving, I'm not moving the flowers at all.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just adding in the same spot over and over. This is two things we have to learn. To add the flower in the same spot and just give it a twist. Right? Add it in the same spot and give it a twist. A little twist, just like that, in your hand. And then we keep adding, and then we keep adding, right?
That's simple
It
enough.
is very simple.
Okay, that looks gorgeous.
The trick is to keep the flowers always in the same spot and give it a twist. If you keep doing that, we will have a round.
Twist thing. Hey.
Yeah, just a little twist, and then you keep adding flowers and more flowers. Well, we like lots of flowers, right?
You know I love flowers.
Yeah, lots and lots of flowers. People say that less is more, but I think more is more.
You can never have too many
No, you cannot.
flowers.
So look, this is it.
Oh my
and
God,
now
it's gorgeous.
we have a round bouquet, completely round. And all I did was just crisscross the stems. So crisscross.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Should we cut them?
Sure.
Or do we have to do this again?
Okay. And
this is the first step. And then we're gonna keep adding flowers in the same spot, in the same position, but we're gonna give it a turn, right?
Okay.
Just a little twist every time we add two or three stems.
Mm-hmm.
I usually give it a little twist. Like that, we can create an arrangement all the way around.
I never got the twist thing.
Yeah, it's so easy. It's very simple to do. You can do this at home when you get flowers from the grocery store.
Yes.
And just keep giving a twist, a little turn, and keep adding more flowers.
I love it. I never knew to do that. It's amazing.
I love, this is one of the things, like, after doing it for 28 years, you learn a few tricks.
Oh. So how did you start doing flowers?
I started doing flowers when I was very young. I was 18.
Mm-hmm.
And I just fell in love with the colors, basically. I'm an artist, so my thing is just color.
Mm-hmm.
I loved how to combine colors. So I used to paint a lot, but then I found flowers, and basically it's just, a bigger to use to create art, basically.
That is simply
so
beautiful.
So you see, I added the stems in the same spot, all the way around, and now we're just gonna give it a little cut. Cut the stems.
I'm in love.
And put that really quick. You see, it doesn't take too much time. It's a simple, very simple thing to do. The trick here is to get enough flowers, right? So you can create something lush and big enough.
Gorgeous.
This is the other trick, a rubber band.
A rubber band.
A rubber band. So we're gonna go around with a rubber band,
Mm-hmm.
just a few times, right? Just to hold it in place, and that's it. It's in place now. And we're just gonna drop it in the vase.
Gorgeous.
There you have it.
Gorgeous. Simply beautiful.
It's just so simple.
Or can it be asked for? I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Okay.
Clip. Stay there.